Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Carhartt. So let me take you to their website, which is carhartt.com. Now, for the ones who don't know who they are, Carhartt is a well-known American workwear brand that specializes in manufacturing durable and work clothing, footwear, and accessories. They are particularly renowned for their high-quality work jackets, coveralls, pants, and overalls, which are designed to provide durability and functionality for people working in demanding industries such as construction, farming, and manufacturing. So, if you own a company and you have employees with uniforms and also this is the brand for you, you could come here, you could shop for yourself, for your employees, or you could just come here and explore and see whatever interests you, and you can make the purchase. But that's not why we're here. We are here to earn some money from Carhartt. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program, start promoting them to our traffic, to our website users, blog users, to subscribers, followers. And when they make the purchase, we will be eligible to get commission from Carhartt. Now the question is it really worth it? Is Carhartt really famous for us to do it, to start promoting them? Let's look at the numbers and see how well known they are. So globally, they're ranking at 13,366, and in the category of apparel and fashion, they stand at 148. And if you look at their traffic, they got on monthly basis over 4.3 million traffic. So they are pretty well known. People like their quality. People love doing shopping from there. So yes, it's like if you want, you can start promoting them as well. Now the question is, how do you join the affiliate program? For that, you can scroll down till the very bottom of the page, to the footer section. Over here, you can click on affiliate program, which will take you to this page. Over here, they are not talking more about the affiliate program. It's just, what it is and how to join it. That's it. So to join the affiliate program, you have to come to the website, which is impact.com. Now, why impact.com and what is Impact? So Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. And what's the work of an affiliate marketing network? The work is a mediator between brands and affiliates. So in our case, we are affiliates and Carhartt is a brand. So to join the affiliate program of different brands, we have to first join in the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, to join the affiliate program of Carhartt, we have to join the affiliate program of Impact, or Impact Radius, you may call them. To join the affiliate program, or to join the affiliate network of Impact, you can click on request a demo, and that should take you to this page. Over here, you can click on sign up as a partner. And as you can see, this is for creators, influencers, and publishers. So where is affiliates then? So don't get confused. Impact call affiliates as publishers in the network. So you can click on sign up as a partner and just go through with the registration process. After the registration, you would be able to log into impact.com account. But I understand it's not easy to create an affiliate account with the affiliate network. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Impact. You'll find the video link of that video in this video description. Just click on the link and follow the instructions from there. Have yourself an account with Impact. Once you have created an account, or if you already have an account with Impact, you can click on sign in on from the Impact's website, which should then take you to login page. Over here, you can enter your username and password, click on sign in, which should then take you to something called dashboard. Now, this is, you may call it an affiliate dashboard or publisher dashboard. It's basically a platform where you would be able to interact with different brands, not just Carhartt. Impact got many brands. You could explore them. You could become affiliate with them. Just join the affiliate program, start promoting them as well, and you would be able to earn a lot. But we're only talking about Carhartt here. For that, to join their affiliate program, you can click on brands, click on find brands, which should take you to this page. Over here, you can go to the top left hand side, and where it says name, ID, and keyword, start typing Carhartt, Carhartt, and just press enter, and you would be able to see a tile for Carhartt. Just click here, and you would be able to see more information about the affiliate program. especially the commission rate. So they're currently giving 4% on the sale amounts. That's good. 4% is average. I won't say it's too less or too much. When it comes to the apparel and fashion industry, 4% is something average that we may consider. Then you can click on view terms to see the terms they got for affiliates. Then there's details. You can go to details and read about it. As you can see, they even open to influencers. So that means if you don't have a website or blog, but if you just have a social media presence, they're fine with that too. So yeah, you can read through it all. And let's say you're fine with all of these and you want to apply to the affiliate program. How do you do that? You simply click on apply, and then I'll show you. There's another function as well, which is this envelope. If you ever want to interact with them, you can just click on envelope sign and just interact with Carhartt's affiliate program team. But to apply to the affiliate program, you can click on this apply button, and over here, it will ask you to tell Carhartt why you want to work on this campaign. Campaign means the affiliate program. So you have to write briefly about you, that, like, what's your online presence is and how you plan to promote Carhartt and why do you want to promote them. Especially, choose the words wisely, because whatever you're going to write here, the team of Carhartt would review it, and if they see that you're a good fit for them, that's when they will approve you. So I already have returned from me. I'm just going to copy and paste it in here, but in your case, ensure that you write carefully in here. And once you have returned it, you can just simply click on apply after reading the terms, of course. So when you will click on apply, you will see your application is pending review. So my application to Carhartt has been gone. In your case, when you click on that, your application would go to them as well. And you can always come to applied section and you would be able to see that application. Now what? Now you give them time. They will take anywhere between 2 or 3 days to 2 weeks of time, depending on the applications, number of applications they're getting. In this time, they will review your online presence that you have given while creating an affiliate account with Impact, and they will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. If they like you, if they like your online presence, they will give you the approval, and you would be able to find them within my brand section. And not just that, you can start promoting them. To promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use your own unique tracking links. So how do you use it? You have to create it. So you can go to the homepage again, and over here to the right side, you will see create a link section. Just from the drop down, you would be able to select your approved brands, that is Carhartt, and just enter any web page of Carhartt's website here that you want to promote, and then click on create. It will create a tracking link for you. That's one way. Other way is you can go to content. You can explore all these sections to create or to get your tracking links. So let's say you got a tracking link, you started promoting them. Can you promote them on social media page? Let's say when you were creating an affiliate account with the Impact, you had given your website or blog, but you also have a social media presence. Can you promote them? Well, you should read the terms and conditions that we talked about. If they don't say anything against it, if there's no policy against it, then you're fine to do that. You can always reach out to them to confirm it. So again, it's better you read the terms and conditions carefully, and then you take the action accordingly. So let's say you started promoting them on social media presence or your website or blog. Then how about commission? You will bring sales to them and the commission will get generated, so that you would be able to see within the reporting section all the commission that has been earned. You would be able to find them in here. How about the payment for that commission? So Carhartt will make the payment to Impact, and Impact will issue that commission payment to you. For that, you have to ensure that you have updated your payment settings on Impact. And for that, you can click on these three dots on the bottom left hand side. And when you click on it, just click on settings, which should take you to this page. Over here, you can come to finance section and you can click on bank account. And when you click on bank account, you would be able to set up your payment method. The payment method that is available with Impact is it's direct deposit, To be more precise, it's electronic fund transfer. So you can go to bank account, you can update your banking details, and you can also decide your minimum payment threshold. That means they will only issue the payment to you when your commission exceeds that amount. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Carhartt. You apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, start generating commission, and you get the commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program of Carhartt. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.